In this video, I will show you exactly how you can create a WordPress website without a web hoster. Now, this is actually very easy, and the best thing is you don't have to pay anything. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to localwp.com, and after you are on the site, you just need to tap on download for free right here. And as you can see, download local, it's free and it will always be. As you can see, it is free, like I said. And then you can choose a platform. So just choose your device. And after you tap on your device, it will download the app, and you don't have to fill in your information like email address or stuff. So just download it, and I will do this right now. Now, after you downloaded the app, you will see a screen something similar to this. So it looks like you haven't created any sites yet, and then you step on create new site. So as you can see, you can create it from a blueprint or create a new site. And I always recommend you to create a new site, and then just tap on continue. Right, and then you can give this site a name, for example, test website. And you can open the advanced options right here. So you can change this local site domain, you can change this. I always recommend it to just leave it how it is. And then tap on continue. And you can again change this, but this is not necessary for me. Then tap on continue, and you can add a username. So let me do that right now. Again, yeah, you don't have to already have this. You can just create one right now. Okay, I created a username as well as a password, and here we see the advanced options. Is this a WordPress multi-site? I can just leave it how it is. It is not necessary. And then the only thing you need to do is tap on add site. And now, as you can see, it is provisioning the services, starting up site services. Basically what it is doing now, it is adding a lot of information, or it is adding the site publicly. So let me fill in my password right now. And this can take a while, but it is usually quite fast. As you can see right now, it is installing, and it is already live right now. My test site is already live, which is very cool. So it can get quite overwhelming, but I will try to explain it the best as possible. So this right here is the website name. It is not the domain name, but it is how I call the website. So I can easily change this by tapping on those three dots, and I can go to rename. And this is a site domain. So this is the domain name. I can also change this. This is the SSL web server, and this is a lot of other information. But again, this is not necessary for you, because yeah, you can change if this of course, but it's very, I don't even understand it. It's quite complicated. Again, you see a lot of information right here. Yeah, but the only thing we need to do right now is tap on WordPress admin right here, or open the site. So let me tap on WordPress admin right now. And now you are getting redirected to the WordPress login panel. So you just created a username as well as a password, and the only thing you need to do right now is log in with that username and that password. As you can see, and now just tap on login. Let me save the password, and now I am logged into WordPress. I am in the WordPress panel, and my website is live. If I go to test website right here, as you can see, my website is live. I can change the website. I can block right here. I can do basically everything. You can do everything that a normal website can do too. So that is very cool. You can add themes to your website by tapping right here. You can search for a theme, for example, Bloxy. You can easily install a website. So yeah, you can do everything right here. So that's very cool, and again, it's completely free. So if you want to remove this site again, that is possible as well. So let me do that right now. So the only thing you need to do is go back to your local app, and then you see this right here. So you see stop site right there. Just tap on that, and now it is removing your site from the internet. And then tap on those three dots right here and tap on delete. Are you sure you want to delete test website? Yes, I'm sure. Delete the site. And again, fill in your password. And now your site is deleted. It is completely gone. And that is basically how you can create WordPress websites without a hoster for completely free. This way you can test your web development skills, etc, etc. I don't know what you want to do with it, but it can be very useful. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.